Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to fix money on hold PayPal problem in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on this process. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing we need to do in getting our PayPal off hold is for the person who sent the money. To click on the transaction itself, give it some time to load, and right here, they should have a button confirm receipt right here. And then, after they click that button, confirm receipt, that means the money will go into your bank account or your PayPal account. And you won't have to wait and the money will be off hold. So that's one way of getting your money off hold. And the other way of getting your money on hold is simply waiting. So you have to wait 21 days, that is maximum amount of time that you have to wait to get your PayPal money off hold. So in that time, if the person doesn't refund it, then after 21 days, at most it could happen earlier, but usually it can take up to 21 days, you will get your money off hold for the last thing, money off hold. For the last thing I want to do and show you in this video is how you can prevent your money from going on hold in the first place. So I'm going to go to my dashboard over here. If I click on yes, actually send money, then if somebody is about to send you a payment and click on continue right here, instead of selecting for goods and services, you make select for friends and family. This way your payment will not go on hold in the first place and you won't have to wait. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share and subscribe if you are new here.